Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a simple mojito. First, gather all your ingredients and tools. You will need fresh mint, a ripe lime, good quality white rum, simple syrup, and some sparkling club soda. Also, make sure you have a sturdy muddler and a tall glass. This straightforward approach ensures a perfectly balanced and incredibly refreshing drink, ideal for any occasion. We will focus on the essential steps to achieve that classic, crisp mojito flavor. For the perfect mojito, you will need 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, ensuring they are vibrant and aromatic. Next, squeeze 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. Bottled juice simply will not do. The heart of our drink is 2 ounces of a good quality white rum. To balance the flavors, add 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. Finally, have 4 ounces of chilled club soda ready to top off your masterpiece. Begin by placing your 10 to 12 mint leaves and 1 ounce of fresh lime juice into a sturdy tall glass. Gently muddle them together, just enough to release the mint's oils without tearing the leaves. Next, pour in the 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup and 2 ounces of white rum. Fill your glass completely with crushed ice. Then stir everything thoroughly for about 15 seconds to ensure all the flavors are well combined and chilled. To finish your perfect mojito, top the glass with 4 ounces of chilled club soda, adding that delightful fizz. Give it one final, gentle stir. For a beautiful presentation and an extra burst of aroma, garnish your drink with a fresh mint sprig and a vibrant lime wedge. Serve your mojito immediately to savor its crisp, refreshing, and perfectly balanced flavors. This simple, consistent method ensures a delicious drink every single time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.